Hey everyone, it's Riley from Urban Firebird Home Solutions. We're at Alaska House today, and we're starting off over here so you can see a bit of changes going on. So we've opened this up to where you can see where the laundry is going to go, the washer and dryer, and you can see how big the bathroom is going to be. We're going to be moving in the toilet and the sink in there. Right here you can see where the door is going to be about. We didn't do much in the kitchen just yet, but we are going to be opening this up. You can see the line right here in inward. And about right here, we're going to just be tearing this all out. Now, we've got some really cool hardwood flooring that's going to go all throughout the main level. It has wire brush finish on it. Tell us what you think in the comments below. I really like it. I hope you guys do too. That was just a quick update on Alaska House. We'll see you later. Bye everyone.